welcome back to our channel. Haifa's here.
Fathima here.
Mama
here.
Today we got some teddy bears from our friends.
Yes.
And we want to unbox it. So come on guys, let us show you
No.
the teddy bears. So this is number 1, Yoda, and the middle side. We have so many. This is the cat. Oh. And here's more of these. And here. And also here, guys. It's unicorn.
Here
And
it's the
you can see the kangaroo, guys. It's so cute. Fish and so many other more. So
like this.
So come on, guys. Let's unbox
like
it now.
this.
So first, this is really for Fatima.
Yeah.
Box it. Show the unboxing.
I will name this one Velvet.
This guys, so this is named Velvet.
Actually, name this I think Haifa.
Oh, he looks like he has smeared red paint on his face. Look. Look, it looks like red smeared paint.
Yeah. Where's your tablet?
So we'll name this
Where's your tablet stand? Where's your tablet stand?
down there.
Ready.
So guys, we will name this
Ready? Red. Ready.
So guys, you check what will be the name for this.
Hit down in the comments.
Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Okay.
So guys, I'll show you the rest of our teddy bears. So guys, maybe we will name this Whitey because it's white full. So let's go on to the next one, as you see here.
Little, ate.
See, it has like a heart and a bow.
I think we have to name it Haifa.
It's named Whitey. So let's just put that aside. There, let's put it aside. So next up is a TY. It has very nice eyes, as you see. It's all that baby kangaroo. Let's open it. It's not a shame. I want you. This is open.
It's coming up.
Okay, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. See guys, this is the baby kangaroo and this is the big kangaroo. This is from TY. It has like very beautiful glitch eyes. This is not sponsored because it becomes sponsored after. So see guys, it's very beautiful. Don't show the tag of the names, okay? Because it becomes sponsored like that. So this is let's put it right.
This is my favorite.
So guys, this is a kind of bear. So this is a kind of bear. So guys, this is like a kind of bear. It has like a beautiful color. It has like Okay, wait. So guys, this is like a kind of bear. It has like a ginger-like kind of skin. Okay, stop. This is like a ginger kind of skin. It's so cute. Like, see? It's so cute. See guys, this is like a ginger kind of cat. Cat! It's like a bear, you see? See? It's like a color kind of biscuit. See? So, I want to name it biscuit because it looks like the coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, like a kind of coffee.
Yeah, like we dip it in.
Like in chai coffee. Biscuit. See? His face is like that in the camera. You see. Mama, look at his face. Mama, look at his face there.
Okay.
Let's put it away. Let's put it away. Let's put it away. Let's put it away. We have one more, is what? So guys, we have one more.
The big one also.
Big one will be the last.
Mm.
Oh no! First we're gonna do the big ones. Okay, I want to put them together with big fish. So this is creamy. It looks like a cream. Looks like a cream. Cream. My name's Creamy. Let's put it there. Let's put it there. So guys, this is a big doogie.
I'm gonna mute it, right?
No, I'm not. There's no muting, right? It's halfway we'll put music.
No, mute.
But halfway we'll put some small music.
Oh,
See?
no.
It's a big doogie.
And they're like doing side eyes.
Big side.
Show her skirt. This is
This is his
shorts.
But actually it's good.
Or more nice short than Fathima. See her pamit. Ngarb. Right there.
His name will be Pitbull / Big Dookie. Let's put there, buddy. See guys,
That is stuff.
put it aside. Look, it's standing because of the animation. And so see guys, this is Baby Yoda and more other teddy bears from
This is gonna be
behind.
the opening and the last.
Yeah, this will be the last one, so I'm going to show you what it is. So let's open it. Oh my god, this guys, this is a teddy stand happy thingy. Hello. I'm happy. Then I come back. Hello. See guys, this is like an octopus thing. Become happy and sad, as you see here. Sad, happy, sad. See guys, they are different color like blue and
Rainbow.
pink and rainbow.
Keep on scooting away.
Yes.
Fathima, put in your head. Come. You call it what?
Opti.
Okay.
Put in your ulo, Fathima. Lagay pa sa ulo mo.
See guys, this is the next. It's so cute. So guys, see it's very cute.
I'm a
It's like-
bunny.
it looks like a brown.
I should name him.
What should we name? So guys, I picked the name and I think it will be Nosh. Just say like because there is no more other name, so just name it Nosh. This is really cute.
No, they're like
It has a
looking.
really cute nose.
So I can name that.
We named it. Come. So guys, this is Baby Yoda. Oh my god, why does it look like a grandpa? I don't know. So guys,
That is alien.
this is Yoda, Baby Yoda.
How? From what movie?
Avengers, I think. So guys, this is Yoda. This is
And I didn't think the nose was like that in the
it's like a
movie.
squishy. See guys,
Some isn't unzipped.
this is Yoda. His black clothes. He looks like an alien. So let's go on to the next one. There's some more TVs. Let's take it. This is a TV, as you see. This is we're gonna. It has like a passport. So his name is Stills. I'll show you.
He loves pancakes, spaghetti,
Wait.
and grapes.
This is his passport. So his name is Stills. Grapes are good. I could eat a bunch, but I want pancakes for my lunch.
Yeah.
Spaghetti is a great delight. It satisfies my big appetite.
I like
My
mine.
it's like a rhyme. It's like a rhyme, guys. And its birthday is
December
my
10.
birthday is December 10 after UAE Day. See this, guys. This is Stilts. still.
This is the grapes and something like that. The other one, the spaghetti and then the pancake.
See guys, look at his shoes. Great. This is stilts.
And
It's
here's
already
the
6 minutes.
Wow.
So guys, this is stilts. Let's just keep him in the side. Let's start the next one.
Come here, Atifah. Come here.
Dawn, baby.
So guys, this is a llama. It's also from TY. The llama?
Yeah.
It's also from TY.
Shepherd, no?
Llama. Llama.
Wala siyang name?
I
This
don't
is
know.
my name. This is like all in my brand. So it's a bit dirty.
Show me how is that? This is new in Mark.
This is new. I'm just saying it's like a bit dirty.
It look like that.
We'll wash it later. So guys, see it has like a blue
It's so
colored
cute.
eyes. You see blue eyes. It's very beautiful. It's very curly. Looks like a sheep. Has also a great smell. It smells good.
Really?
It smells good. It's like
Lily
downy, like lily wash. See guys, here's
I want this on the sky bug.
okay. Let's putting aside. So guys, the next one is the it has pink eyes.
What is my new favorite now?
Guys,
Pardon,
this is my mama's favorite.
Mm.
So you see, guys, it's like a kitty also from TY.
Like all the eyes like these.
All the eyes are glitter like it comes from TY. So it's very beautiful. Can you see? Because like it's like ginger cat. And then,
Yeah, it's ginger cat.
Gingerly.
no, when we was coming back home, we saw ginger cat and we actually compared it to this. Let's open it.
Yeah, this is the coming up. Oh God. Yeah.
See, guys, it has rainbow eyes. Rainbow eyes? No, it's not rainbow eyes.
This one is
The
boy.
other one is rainbow eyes.
Oh, so cute. This is
Oh
mine.
my god, I put my hand in my ear.
No problem.
So guys, I'm just fixing my hair. It's already 9 minutes. So as you see, guys, this is my a cat.
Gingerly, I think.
So, oh wait, we did not name the white color sheep. We'll name it llama.
Lemmy.
Limi. Oh, what is this? This is the same thing we saw on the claw machine. When you look at his face.
Yeah, this is the one I told you I like, no? This is my new favorite now.
That's a 9.
From Tiva is so pretty. All the eyes is like very
All
nice.
the eyes are like color. So as you see, this is TY. His eyes is like the color pink. He looks like a kitty cat.
Show her body very cute.
So guys, look at his body. It's like a ginger cat. So we'll put it aside.
You walk little bit.
See, let's put it aside now. Wow. His eyes are so glittery. And last but not least, we're going to be showing you this teddy
And after
bear.
we're going to be showing you the open one. I'm going to be showing the open one
You're gonna-
after it.
Showing what?
After this.
Unicorn.
So guys, first this is the Christmas unicorn. No, wait.
Uni.
Guys, this is the Christmas unicorn.
Uni.
Meet Uni. It has rainbow eyes. It has rainbow
I'm from
eyes.
Tiva again, this one. Oh, all is like this. Eyes is from Tiva.
No, really, look, it's rainbow.
Yeah, show.
So guys, you see, it's rainbow. I think you can't see if you put in the light.
What is it
See.
putting in the mouth?
Oh, see guys, look, it's like a rainbow here. His horn. This is the Christmas. It's like a Christmas theme. It has like a horn.
Unicorn.
See, we'll show you guys. And his head appears like some little glitters, like green. Christmas colors. Yes, let's put
Like
aside.
almost you were equalized.
This is what?
Lovely.
Lovely. Okay. Guys, this is lovely. This is lovely. Hello. Its name's Lovely because he has like this cute little kind of dress.
And skin is like gold.
His skin is like gold. It has like some golden skin.
Her dress is made of.
His dress is made of yarns.
I think it's expensive.
It looks nice. Some golden glitters. See?
Here the feet. We can also move the clothes.
Wait, we forgot one. This is one more TY. We've already showed stilts. Okay, it's not TY anymore. This is a teddy bear. It looks like a chocolate.
Anything is probably there.
So see, it looks like a chocolate. Here's like a cute cap on. Just put it this.
Your back has
Back asthma.
What is that?
His back syndrome. His back syndrome.
No, come on. This is original.
His back asthma. So you see, we name it chocolate. Chocolate. We name it
God.
Where is this kind of
Like you can
chocolate?
turn it around, okay?
This kind of hat looks like his asthma syndrome. Just name it chocolate. Sorry, this guy.
No, beautiful chance also. Oh, wow.
Fish. We'll name him Fishy. This is the first time we got a fish.
Finding
Oh my god!
Nemo.
Guys, this is Finding Nemo. No, Nemo is orange.
Yeah, orange.
There is one blue color fish there in the Finding Nemo. What is that name?
I don't know what is her brand name.
I don't know. When this name is Fishy. So guys, this is Fishy.
Fabric is nice.
Yeah.
Pantalon.
This is Pantalon fabric.
Pantalon fabric.
Oh look, he's here. He looks like the cleaning rug.
Mop. Allah, you're so
So look at this baby like it is looking
See
at
guys, there's six. Very stop. So guys, there's so many colors in this fish, like green, yellow, blue, dark blue, light
Black.
blue. See, 360 vision. Let's put it there.
Guys, this is the one that we opened before. God. This is when we
We're
opened
missing
it.
the last baby. So this is a bunny. This is bunny.
Hop.
Guys, this is bunny. This is the picture of Doogie. Where is Doogie?
I did just die.
Guys, this is Doogie.
That's not fair.
I call this a Doogie.
No, it's so ugly name.
No, but we still call it Doogie. This is a Doogie.
Hello, she's cute.
His name is Rabbit.
Pretty rabbit. Her stomach is bursting.
It's 19 minutes now.
Long point, it's 19 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes is okay.
God.
See, guys, it has a bunny ear. His pink fur skin. We live a bunny. We have one more. We forgot one more. We also forgot jaguar.
Fatima, give me here.
A jacket here down.
So guys, this is one more that we got. This is not a dragon. This is the dinosaur. Dragon has wings. This is a dinosaur. Did I introduce Velvet?
No.
Not yet, okay. So guys, this is the dinosaur.
That is the twin of the little twin of now.
God. My train of nose is long.
Yeah, you show.
It's this kid. See, it's a dinosaur with red, yellow.
Like,
Dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. Oh, it's 360 vision.
Why do we not put the kid in there?
Sugar mata, no. Sugar mata.
Show his whole body, show his whole body.
Sugar mata.
Look at the behind baby, right?
You're like, huh? This is velvet.
I'm not in the baby.
Fatima, give me my water. This behind, huh? Behind. The last one. No.
It didn't record in the vlog.
This is...
So guys,
Allah, you're so...
so guys, this is velvet.
It's like how they're singing like
He's like a Ferris wheel. So this is velvet. He looks like a red velvet cake, as you see. It's velvet.
He's going to close the door.
There you go. This is velvet. You can't see this because it's too dark. See, he's red. He has like a velvet and has like a bow. Like
Yes,
he's like the exact copy of him. Like see.
They're twin.
but they don't have the. But this one
They
they
don't, but they don't have a chain.
He lost it. He lost it. Did not lost it. I don't know.
No, wait, give me.
But then gone.
This is velvet. He's like a red skin. He's like a big. Wee. Oh,
The Ferris
that's
wheel.
very sweet. Can't see up close. Let's put it inside there. And one more. We're missing one. So guys, let me just find it 1 minute. Guys, now I'm removing it up in the back. As you see, this is a... What is his name, Mama?
Pounds.
He has a passport. He has a
Oh,
passport.
wow.
He's
You
in
read
France.
his name? You read.
His name is... Wait. This
From
is like,
Binikit. This is from Australia.
from Biniki, Australia.
You read.
I think he can read it
Yeah,
now.
but this is his passport.
This is his passport.
And
He's like a...
yeah.
No, wait, let me show his body.
No, read.
Let me show the body.
I don't know what.
He's like... Here's the passport. See, he looks like a jaguar.
I'm not lying. It's mine, huh?
Smile. You look like...
You want to show my naughty?
Like God. Just close up.
See, this is Beanie. Let's read. Beanie Kids pounced the jaguar bear. His birthday is 27/5. Bro, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. His birthday is on July. July 27. July 27.
2006. Yeah?
He's a Gemini.
Mm.
Gemini. You should
Here,
let
you
me-
can remove it. You can remove this one.
You can remove this.
This is the collection benefits from Australia.
Yeah.
This
I
is
saw
collection
one more
from
like
Beanie
this in
Kids.
Christmas. Same face.
Yeah.
See.
If you can't see nicely, we're going to read it for you. We're going to read it for you anyway.
So it says here, thank you for giving me your love and care. I am so glad we will be friends forever. I need someone like you to look after me, to make sure that I'm kept in good condition and that my swing that isn't damaged. People love to collect me and your help. And with your help, I can be quite valuable. They have a website.
Yeah, this is benefits is expensive. You know, I googled this one. This is 76 dirham.
Oh, you always, and people are leaving it for 10 dirham.
No, TY is different price.
It was
I
expensive.
see one more.
No, TY
I see one more.
mostly is 5 to 10
I saw one
dollars.
more. These have a collection. That's what it was
So
collection.
there's TY. We have like so much TY collection.
I saw. Wait, that's olive oil.
Huh?
Olive oil.
Where is olive oil? Where is Olaf? Olive oil.
No? Wait, I will find all that.
See, we have
And
more.
That
So guys,
also.
See, she found it. So you see, we have more TYs. So this is also a TY doogie. Here's some big doogie as well. It's a doogie. This is a doogie.
I want to see a mommy baby in the house.
So you see, this is like a TY doogie. Oh, you're broken the plastic!
Oh, I forgot.
So you see, this is a TY doogie. So his name is TY doogie. We're just gonna name him. The other one is named Pitbull doogie.
How's the boat?
The Hops and Pops. You see, this is the doogie. TY, so we're gonna name it doogies, but there.
Bingy.
And there's one more named Olive Oil. And its name is Olaf. You see, Olaf. But we name it Olive Oil.
Yeah.
We name it Olive Oil.
Olive Oil. Because his name is Olaf, so Olive Oil. He has also a TY passport, but half his passport is missing.
What is his name?
His name is Olaf.
Olaf from Frozen, right?
Olaf from Frozen.
Yeah,
I call
Beanie
him,
Baby.
no, he's come from Beanie Babies. No, TY.
TY Beanie Babies.
Are you sure?
Billy Boos?
Beanie Babies collection from TY.
Yeah, this is the Beanie Kids.
Beanie Babies.
This is Beanie
Kids
Kids.
and Billy Boos.
And these is Beanie Boos.
How come? Oh yeah.
They have collection, right? We
Oh
told
no,
you
they're
this
all
one.
together with TY.
See,
The
this
owner
one.
of this one is from
TY Thailand.
Oh, TY.
I googled this one. It's 1990. Is the start?
When you were 10,
1990.
you see? This is the Olaf.
What do you call it? Olive oil.
Olaf. Olive oil. Here, here's a stick hand, stick head. So you see, let's go. I didn't even show. So his next is koala. Quack, 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 quack. See, oh, look, I think this is also from TY because he also has glitter eyes.
I hide them.
I love Australia.
This came from Australia.
Australia from what Australia? What do you mean read? Oh, the brand is I Love Australia. This comes from Australia. I Love Australia is the brand. So you see, this is the
God.
eyes. You can see the eyes. See, so sketchy.
But some is not like these.
Some are not like that. It's like a koala, but it looks kind of odd, so we name it Dadu. His name is Dadu. I'm Dadu. I'm Dadu. Dadu. Name is Dadu here. Let's put it aside. Dadu. This guy, his name is Pinky.
What is it?
He's all pink. His whole t-shirt is pink. His name is Pinky because everything is pink. He's also dressed. Bingy. It's also his dress is pink.
Slash Bingy.
And slash. Also, his name is Pinky, but we're gonna name him Bingy. Bingy.
This is the one that opened before, right?
Greeny Bingy.
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 Yes, so I'm
Sorry.
God.
No, what are you doing? Guys.
Wet nose.
Ate, oh.
39.
Haifa, why this open?
Yeah, but what chicken? Give me it.
Oh.
Simply electricity going, no? If you are not watching.
Auntie.
Give me.
Oh no, it's watching. Okay, so you see,
You take the paper cut. Because you cannot break.
so guys, here you see, this is
Voodoo.
voodoo. No, this is using.
Paper.
Ouch, 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 ouch. This is voodoo. So guys, this is voodoo.
I know this is like kind of scary, but actually not.
See guys, it's a bit kind of scary.
No, not nothing.
So like this is like voodoo, but it's like a cute little doll. It comes like a Christmas elf.
I got it.
She drew it. Fatima drew it. So cute.
Oh.
You talk something?
No.
You see?
I got it. I kind of like it and kind of
Let's put it aside.
Voodoo doll, scary. Don't scare.
So let's start with the next one. No more?
No, I don't think.
I think no more now.
Okay, let's play it.
I thought this is.
Okay guys.
I thought
So
it's nothing.
wait,
Oh yeah, they do not show
guys,
this.
now we're going to be showing you all of them at once. Thank you for watching. Hope you share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Biscuit. Where's Biscuit? Where's Biscuit?
Ano ba siya paper pati? Pati ba siya paper eh?
Yeah, wait.
Stick olive oil.
Oh, this is for olive oil.
Mm.